What's good, Ham Squad? Your boy GregThatDude, GregDeals.com. Coming on here real quick, you guys. Told y'all I was getting y'all together for the summer. Sam's Club has an awesome deal going on right now to where you guys, when you sign up for a new membership, they're giving away free groceries again, you guys. So listen to this, you guys. Sam's Club is running an awesome promotion right now. In case you guys missed it last time, when you sign up for a Sam's Club membership, you'll get back a $20 gift card and you'll get back $30 in instant savings, okay? And then also, there's a scavenger hunt going on. So after you sign up for the membership, you can do the scavenger hunt and you'll get a bunch of freebies as well as high value coupons off of everyday household essentials, okay? So I'm gonna walk you guys through the store and I'm gonna give you a step-by-step playback of all the great stuff you're gonna get, and we're gonna make it do what it do, all right? So just follow along. All right, you guys, listen. So the first thing you would do, you would click on the link in the description, okay? Or you can go to gregdeals.com/Sam. I will put the URL, whatever, right across the screen. Click on that, put in your email address. You will be emailed a promo code, all right? Once you get the promo code, you will head to Sam's Club. Now, if you can't find the promo code, because a lot of you guys are gonna say you can't find the promo code, click on your spam folder and check it. Now, if you guys have a Gmail, you might have to look under your promotions or something, but do a search. If you don't see it, you will be emailed a promo code, okay? You will then take the promo code and you will head to Sam's Club customer service, where we are right now. When you get to Sam's Club customer service, you will open up the email, show them the email, show them the promo code to sign up for the membership, all right? After you sign up for the membership, you will get a $20 gift card and they will load the $30 in instant savings to your Sam's Club card. So that's the first step. So do all of those, all right? After you sign up for the Sam's Club membership, you will get your membership card, which I'm waiting to get mine now. You will get your membership card, okay? After you get your membership card, now you want to do the scavenger hunt. So you will go to gregdeals.com/Sam Scan, okay? So you will click that link and it will be like new members. You can do the scavenger hunt and it'll give you a lot of high value coupons and freebies, okay? So once you go to the scavenger hunt website, you will either scan your Sam's Club card number or type it in, okay? You will ask it'll ask you several questions like walk over to the organic produce section. What color is the sign, okay? And you can answer until you get it right. So it'll give you a lot of high value coupons. It also give you some freebies like a free rotisserie chicken, a free slice of pizza, a free soda, a lot of different stuff, okay? So do the scavenger hunt next, and that'll give you a lot of freebies as well, okay? And the scavenger hunt is only good if you are a member, if you're a new member within the first month, okay? So you can do the scavenger hunt, and then, like I said, you'll get a lot of high value coupons loaded to your Sam's Club membership and the freebies. So like the free rotisserie, and it's a whole rotisserie chicken, slice of pizza from the cafe, a drink, and other things, okay? Now, we're gonna go get the stuff that you're gonna get the instant savings on. So there's a whole list of stuff that they're giving you for signing up. $7 off of all beef franks, $10 off of ground beef, $3 off of hot dogs, $4 off of potato salad, $3 off of Members Mark, and then a pack of free cookies. The stuff is basically gonna be pennies, you guys. So I'm gonna walk you guys through step by step, okay? So just follow along. All right, Ham Squad. So now we have our membership, okay? All of our instant savings are loaded onto our membership. I'm gonna walk you guys step by step on the items to grab to maximize your savings, you guys, because remember, we're stocking up for the summer, okay? I'm not gonna go over the scavenger hunt with you guys, but after you guys get all of this, then you guys will do the scavenger hunt, because I can't show it to you. You have to do the scavenger hunt yourself, okay? Otherwise it won't be fun. So just do the scavenger hunt by clicking the link in the description. The scavenger hunt link is gregdeals.com/Sam Scan, okay? But first, remember, if you haven't already, click the link in the description, gregdeals.com/Sam to put your email address in the box to get your promo code, okay? So also, I will put a link with the full list of instant savings and all that. I do a whole blog post so you guys can read up on it, print the list to use as a reference in your store. Just know I'm getting you together, okay? So go ahead and follow your boy, but if you have not already, go ahead and take a pause for the cause. Definitely should have liked this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that share button, all right? I'll wait. All right, you guys, one more thing. If you guys didn't know this already, Sam's Club is EBT friendly for my EBT folks, all right? So I got you, okay? Maximize them stamps while the kids is home for the summer eating up all the stuff, okay? No judgment over here, all right? I got y'all too. All right, squad. So the first item that we'll be grabbing on the list is the Members Mark, and you have an option of getting the Members Mark 80/20 or 90/10 ground beef, okay? You're gonna get $10 off, okay? And it's $3.19 a pound. You guys know it's $3.19 a pound. I don't know if Sam's Club, you can go to the butcher, get them to break the pack down for you. Probably not, but either way it goes, we're gonna walk over here and look at this meat. Look at this. This meat is $20.32, okay? And this is a big old 6.37 pound. You're gonna get this for only $10.32, okay, you guys? So it's gonna take $10 off of that. That's a good deal. We're gonna go with the 90/10, all right? $10 for this big old pack of meat right here, okay? So we're gonna get this and we're gonna throw it in the cart, all right? There's normally more meat. That was just like a little end cap where the meat was. There's more meat over here, as you guys can see. This is the 80/20, 18/27, 17/82, 17/85, 18/30. You guys can actually get smaller packs if you want to. I just went ahead and opted to get that one, you guys, but you know, you can get a little bit less of a pack. All right, you guys, so the next item on the list will be Members Mark loaded potato salad, okay? As you guys can see, the Members Mark loaded potato salad is only $6.98, and you will be getting $4 in instant savings off, making it only $2.68, you guys. Father's Day is coming up. The weekend is coming up. All that stuff is coming up. All that stuff is going to be for a great barbecue for the guy in your life, whoever in your life, whatever. All of this is some good stuff, okay? So this is going to be $2.98, all right? So we're going to get this and we're going to throw it in the cart, all right? All right, you guys, so the next item that we'll be grabbing on the list is the Members Mark all beef franks, the 12 count, 3 pounds. They are $7.98, you guys. We're gonna get $7 off instantly at the register, you guys. Making these only 98 cents, y'all. For these, that is a steal, okay? So we're gonna get these and we're gonna throw it in the cart, all right? All right, you guys, so the next item that we'll be grabbing on the list is the Members Mark hot dog or hamburger buns, 24 count, you guys. They are only $3.68. We'll be getting $3 off instantly at the register, you guys. Making these only 68 cents for the whole pack. Now remember this, guys, you got a pack of ground beef and you got hot dogs. So you can choose either or, okay? Your barbecue is about to be lit for the Lolo, okay? We're gonna go ahead and get the hot dog buns, all right? So we're gonna throw these in the cart, all right? All right, you guys, so the next item that we'll be grabbing on the list is the Members Mark 18 count cookies, okay? You can choose between any of these 18 count cookies that are $5.98. Okay, they will be totally free after the instant savings, okay? So you grab the cookie of your choice. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and grab some chocolate chip, because who don't like chocolate chip, right? Well, actually it says chocolate chunk cookie. We're gonna throw these in the cart, okay? All right, you guys, so the last item that we're gonna grab on the list before we do the scavenger hunt will be the Members Mark Purified water, okay? You have the option to get the 45 and the 80. My store does not have the 45, they only have 40. So I'm just gonna go with the 80 just to be on the safe side, because I don't know if it was a typo or not. So we're gonna go with the 80. The 80 count is $7.98, okay? $7.98 for the 80 count pack of water. And then you guys, we're gonna get $3 off instantly at the register, making it only $4.98 for 80 things of water. It's a really good deal, so we're gonna grab that too. All right. Scoot the hamburger over. So we're gonna go over here so we can do our math and stuff. So the water will actually be $4.98 because it's $7.98, $3 instant savings will make it $4.98. All right, you guys, so after you have all of your items, your ground beef, which is $3.19 a pound, so my pack was $10.38. Okay, your beef franks, which come out to be 98 cents with the instant savings. Your cookies that are free, otherwise they're like $4.99 or $5.98, but they're free because they're gonna come up as free. Your purified water, you guys, it'll be $4.98 after instant savings. And then your potato salad after instant savings is $2.68, I believe, $2.28, something like that. Either way it go. Your hot dog buns, you guys, that's 68 cents. All right, you guys, so after you get all of your items, okay, after it's all said and done, $19 and about, what I say, 28 cents. But remember, they gave you a $20 gift card when you got the membership. So all of your whole purchase is gonna be free. Didn't I tell you I was getting y'all together for the summer? Put in the comment section that I said I was getting y'all together for the summer. It's all free, you guys. It's a win-win. All right, you guys, so that's not it. I know how it is, you guys. You done been in the grocery store now. You tired. You ain't trying to go home and cook. So remember to do the scavenger hunt, okay? When you do the scavenger hunt, they're going to give you all of the freebies. They're going to give you the free slice of pizza. They're going to give you the free drink. They're going to give you the rotisserie chicken, you guys. The rotisserie chicken is already cooked, y'all. That's about to be dinner for tonight. You're going to make the kids come and get all this stuff about the car, and you're going to chill, okay? Check this out. Remember, go to GregDeals.com/Sam Scan, okay, to do the scavenger hunt while you're in the store. And it's going to also give you more high value coupons and those freebies, okay? So don't forget to do that. You're going to have a little meal to eat once you get in the car, and then you can go throw the rotisserie to the kids, all right? And that's it, you guys. Once again, definitely be sure to sign up. Well, not sign up. Definitely be sure to click the link below. Put your email address to get your promo code. Come to the store. Follow the steps. I got you all the way together. So once you're ready to check out, okay, you can download the Sam's Club app, and you can click on Scan and Go, and you can actually scan all of your purchases and pay from your phone, so you don't have to stand in a long line, okay? We're gonna go ahead and go to the register, make it do what it do. But as always, thank you all for watching. If you guys have not already, definitely be sure to show your boy some love by hitting that thumbs up button and hitting that share button, okay? If you guys are following this page on Facebook, definitely be sure to hit that like and follow. And be sure to turn on your post notifications and click on show first in news feed, so that way you guys never miss a deal, okay? Also for my YouTube squad, Ham Squad on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit that bell so you can be notified every time your boy uploads a new video, okay? So as always, thank you all for watching. Talk to you guys later, all right? Peace.